Someone beautifully said on children that children are the most beautiful creation by God and we must handle this creation with lots of love and care. And everyone should know that every child deserves a peaceful and secure childhood because the future of the world depends upon the today's children. Good morning to everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary presenting today's morning assembly. Today on June 12th, which is observed as World Day Against Child Labour, let us raise our voices against this crime. Let us pray for all children's protection and safety and help children around us live the full and abundant life God desires for them. It's time to pray to God. Let's start today's assembly with prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, pledge is a beautiful way of reminding one about our nation. It makes us aware of our duties towards our nation. So, I request Varnika from class 8 to lead us with the pledge. Thank you, Varnika. The International Labour Organization defines child labour as work that deprives children of their childhood, their potential and their dignity, and that is harmful to physical and mental development. World Day Against Child Labour is observed to raise awareness of the plight of child labourers worldwide. Hundreds of millions of girls and boys around the world are affected. Child labour has existed in some form for thousands of years, and the change will start within each one of us. Let us move to the next part of morning assembly, that is thought of the day. For this, I would like to call Pranay from class 8th. Good morning to all of you. This is Pranay. Today's thought is, if we are to teach real peace in this world, and if we are to carry on a real war against war, we shall have to begin with the children. Gandhiji believed that foundation of children must be good and splendid. According to him, children must be taught through the laws of nature, and education has a vital role in cultivating peace. He believed that if we want to see the change in the future, if we want to see the change in the world, we have to teach the kids. Then only the world will get the real peace. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, Pranay, for such a nice thought. News is very important to us because it helps us to aware from the things happening in the world. Here is Vaidya with the latest news from India and around the world. Thank you, Vaidya, for today's news update. My dear friends, if a child is given proper nourishment and receives good education, he or she can grow up to be a responsible person of the society. But when a child denied all the good things of life, and World Day Against Child Labour highlights the rights of children to have a normal life. To light upon World Day Against Child Labour through a speech, I would like to call Jishan from class 8. Thank you, Jishan. We all need to understand that child labour is a crime, and it is the duty of each one of us to raise our voices against it to make this world a better place to live. And now we are at the end of today's morning assembly. Get ready for National Anthem. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.